Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G32 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways to check the serial number. You can do it by using a secret code and by using the settings. So let's start with a code. We have to open the dialer and the code for the serial number is *##06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you the second way. So let's enter the settings. I think this option will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. You will still be able to check the serial number, even if you will, for example, forget the code also. Alright, so in the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and right now we have to enter the model. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, the serial number is on the second position. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.